when you started? Parang naging sobrang close na rin kayo.
Actually, we all clicked from the first day. And even after taping, kahit sobrang pagod po kami, we would even go out, we would get food, bulalo, kanin.
Bulalo talaga? Bakit bulalo?
Sinigang na bulalo.
Sarap sa yun. Bakit gano'n? Kaya naman pala, o diba? So that was like what the behind the scenes were like.
Yes.
Ano ba yung mga momentous behind the scenes na pwede mo i-share?
There's a lot of different things. Like we would make TikToks. Everyone's super kulit. So a lot of kulit moments, and a lot of intimate moments as well. Just like because this is such a serious show, we have so many episodes as well. So we've really had to come together and be there for each other.
Oo, and actually, tawag mo dito, nakita mo, Sarah pala is also part of this.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, paano naging close na rin kayo?
Super. So, actually, luckily because it was such a happy set, everyone felt super comfortable, everyone jived together, and it felt like not just work, but it was also kind of like we were all bonding together as a family.
And speaking of family, sobrang support. Andres was like supporting. Yes, hindi.
Super! Thank you, Andres. Love you so much.
Ano sabi niya bago ka, pumunta dito?
He's super, super excited. The same way that we all were just for his show.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and he was telling me that, good luck, you're gonna kill it, and I wish you the best always. Because see Andres, he's seen everything that I kind of went through taping. So he was able to see all of that, and now that this is all coming together, he's nothing but the happiest.
You sharpened your piano skills for this one.
Oh, yes. At ito pa, may eksena kasama din si Hayes sa piano si Pedro. Tingnan natin.
Nag-piano ka rin?
No, I had to sing.
Oh, I love it. But also, University Series is on a roll. It's good na iba-iba yung pinapagawa talaga sa inyo ng Viva. Right? Like yung Hyacinth is there, but you know.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be 3 shows at the same time. So yung Avenues of the Diamond, yung si Frederick Palma, and then Bad Genius. So
oh my gosh,
it's really a
Taon ng Viva, ha?
I mean, Boss Vic is a genius. A bad genius.
A good genius.
And you also, diba, doon
Sa University Series. Masaya kami kasi yung University Series, we're going to book 5 anytime soon.
Bulbea na yun,
Tapos
tama?
Bulbea, and then yung sa amin naman ni Nicole next year, yung book 6. So yeah, very excited and happy kasi tuloy-tuloy lang yung success ng Viva 1.
Right. And Cash? Album?
Tingnan mo na. When the first one now, please watch Bad Genius. The
July.
series on Viva 1.
I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.